Hi everyone, good evening. Just watch this video, the video of Evangelist Ebuka Obi and the Canadian woman. Just watch the video. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a guy man. No, just watch this video and laugh with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oyibo?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Canada.
Canada?
Yes.
Oh, you're welcome. How many times have you been in Africa?
I've been in Africa 2 times.
What do you love most about Zion that made you to come today?
I love the teaching. I love everything about it and the prophecies and how you give the solutions.
How God will give the solution. I'm not the one giving the solution, but God gives solution through me.
Yes.
So that is why you came all the way from Canada.
Yes, and also I married a Igbo man from Imo State.
God bless you. Is he here? Where is him? Where is him? Your husband, is he? Why didn't he come out? Huh? Call him to come. Let me see. What is his name? Call him.
Israel, come out.
Say it again.
Israel, come out to the grass area here.
Oh, God bless you. How are you? Your wife and you, who loves Zion most?
It's me.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's not trusting to see you.
Introduce her.
Yes.
Oh, you are welcome.
First time, this one. 3 times.
Oh. We have branch in Canada. Are you aware?
No, I'm not in Canada once. I'm not in Canada.
Where are you based?
I'm not still here actually, but I came for this to join her.
Okay, okay, you are the one in Canada?
Yes.
Okay, you came to marry him? You are married, so you came for visa so that you will go up. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, you want to, so that the visa will complete?
Yes.
Igbo, we move. God bless you. You are welcome. I will see you. I will see both of you. God bless you. If I thought you go. Igbo, we move. And I could go to Igbo. Igbo Diabu.